Welcome to Vibratech Trainers and Consultants Private Limited. We are going to see an interesting case study on mill stand. Case study prepared by Vijayakrishnan Venugopal, Director of Vibratech Trainers and Consultants Private Limited, Chennai. He is a chartered engineer with more than 35 years of experience. He is an international vibration consultant and ISO certified vibration analyst Cat 3 certificate holder. Also, he is certified maintenance and reliability professional from SMRP. Mill stand is driven by a motor of 1200 kilowatts with 2000 RPM through main gearbox, bevel gearbox and vertical gearbox. The mill stand is mounted on steel frame on concrete floor at ground level without any anti-vibration mountings. Vibration measurements are taken in all three directions: horizontal, vertical and axial, in each locations. Measurement locations are motor drive end and non-drive end bearing, main gearbox bearings, bevel gearbox bearings, vertical gearbox bearings. Vibration amplitudes collected are displacement in microns peak to peak and velocity in millimeters per second peak. Now onto the vibration limits. As per ISO standard and with our previous experience, when the velocity falls below 6.58 mm per second peak, it's considered as good. When the velocity falls between 6.58 to 15.8 mm per second peak, it is considered as fair. When the velocity falls above 15.8 mm per second peak, it is considered as rough. Initially, vibration values are measured. Highest vibration value recorded at motor main gearbox, bevel gearbox and vertical gearbox are highlighted. At bevel gearbox output shaft vertical direction, velocity fluctuating from 70 to 82.1 mm per second peak and displacement fluctuating from 800 to 1485 microns peak to peak. Initially, the equipment is in very rough category. Looking at spectrum of location 10, dominant peak values of 80 mm per second noticed at 1 times of running RPM, making equipment health condition very rough. Since the equipment vibration level are significantly high, when the equipment was operated at motor speed of 1266 RPM. Based on analysis, misalignment indicated between main gearbox to bevel gearbox. Bow in the floating shaft indicated. Rectification works carried out are: coupling alignment using laser alignment tool was carried out between main gearbox to bevel gearbox. After alignment, the maximum vibration levels recorded at bevel gear output in vertical direction at 1266 RPM, were displacement fluctuating from 174 to 425 microns peak to peak, and velocity fluctuating from 10.2 to 20.1 mm per second peak. Now the health condition of the equipment improved from very rough to rough category. After alignment work, phase analysis was carried out, and the equipment was taken for in situ dynamic balancing with our 3-channel vibration analyzer cum balancer, model X5 Mark III. A correction weight of 1740 grams was added on the horizontal floating shaft. The maximum vibration levels measured after alignment and balancing, at bevel gear output shaft vertical direction, displacement fluctuating from 117 to 354 microns peak to peak, and velocity fluctuating from 10.1 to 17.5 mm per second peak. Comparison of vibration values initial, after alignment and before balancing. After alignment and balancing are shown below. Spectrums after alignment and balancing are shown. Conclusion are: further reduction in vibration levels through balancing or alignment is not possible in its existing condition as excess of bow in mill number 7 horizontal floating shaft indicated. It is advised to replace the horizontal floating shaft before taking for continuous operation as vibration levels will be higher in on-load condition. Vibratech cater among all major industrial sectors. We conduct vibration analysis level 1 and 2 training programs online and also in plant. ISO certified vibration analyst category 1, category 2, category 3 training and examination. Services we provide are vibration analysis, in situ dynamic balancing, laser alignment, motor current signature analysis, thermography, building or ground vibration measurements. We also market and provide service for machinery vibration analyzers and meters, and low frequency building vibration analyzers.